Now we're going to see some highlighted movements from Tofasan, Peach Flower Fist. Notice the handwork is nice and slow being demonstrated. When performed, this should be performed quickly. These are a series of parrying movements. The parry is a double arm parry pushing up. These are hard blocks with hook, grab, palm strike. Parry down, knocking the arm out of the way, kicking. And the opponent reverses this technique. Kicking and block. This one involves a double parry, double punch. Double block to the leg. Notice the sweeping action. Practice slowly, then develop your speed and coordination and accuracy. Sweep from the rear leg, hop over, sweep again. Here's a highlighted movement of the double parry, single punch. You want to parry at the wrist and at the elbow, moving in using your waist with the punch to the ribs. This is one version of this parry. There's a hook on the top and a hook from the bottom. This version demonstrates the hooking on the top. There's another version that demonstrates hooking from the bottom of the wrist.